to the question. What all people will do, sir? I find a lot of teachers who teach traditional method. Student is listening to the live class. 2 hours got over. He learned the traditional method. He is not clearing the exam. Why will he clear the examination when the method that he is using is incorrect? Lakhs of students are going to write the examination for thousands of seats. What difference that you got in terms of learning? You should ask yourself. Traditional methods, probably for a set of questions it will work, but if you can develop logics and minimize the time, these how students will solve these equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C equivalent to 12K. So 3S minus of A plus B plus C equivalent to 12K. These 3S minus 2S, the most boring method, SC is 12K. If SC is 12K, if I substitute here, A will become 11K, B will become 5K, C will become 8K. What will be the answer? 11 is to 5 is to 8. FP, I got the answer, and you took some 30 to 35 seconds to solve this question. But actually, if you use your brain, it is a 5 seconds question. This is 99.99% of the students will solve like this. Because we all go through a macular education system. Because in our 10th class, if you write one step, you will get 1 mark. If you substitute it, you will get 1 mark. If you get the answer and underline it, you will get 1 mark. Macular education system, funny education system. On a mother's birthday, you have to go to an artist gallery, buy a greeting card, where the greeting card talks about a birthday wishes wrote by an American author to his mother. In a way, you like that poem. Oh, birthday is the day when you are gifted to the world and the world was gifted to you. Such a nice line it is. You will buy it at 70 rupees or 80 rupees or 30 rupees and give it to your mother as if you wrote it. It is the worst thing that can happen in an education system. Education is enhancing the thought process of a learner, and education is about going beyond the textbooks and making a student develop the questions on their own. For me, this is a stupid method. If anybody is solving like this, it is a time for you to introspect that these methods will not work. If Anil Nair is solving this question, Anil Nair's way, when I say Anil Nair's way, it is the logical way to solve the question. Anil Nair's way of solving the question. What is the question? S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is equivalent to 1 is to 7 is to 4. A is to B is to C. You will understand the beauty of preparing for CAT examination, sir. CAT exam is not a difficult examination. It is a different examination. Because if you are preparing for CAT, any other examination can be taken care. Why? Because CAT is Asia's toughest examination. Maximum number of questions are logical questions. Now see, A is to B is to C. If I am solving this question, how I will solve this question? Now see, S minus A, it is K. S minus, these also you don't need to write. 7K. S minus C, it is 4K. A, B, C are natural numbers. I do not know the traditional method. What I know is, see the question and find out an optimal way. Now see here. S minus B, 7K. SC is constant here. It is given as 2S equivalent to A plus B plus C, which is a constant. K, 7K, 4K. What is maximum? 7K, it is maximum. Right hand side, it is maximum. Left hand side, it is minus B. That means B should have a minimum value. B should have a minimum value. S minus A is equivalent to K. They are all natural numbers. So 1, 7, 1, 7, 4, 2, 14, 8, 3, 21, 12. Are you all with me? What is minimum? It is minimum. K K is minimum. If this is minimum, what should be A? A should be a maximum value. A is to B is to C. In A is to B is to C. Which one should take maximum? A should take maximum. B should take minimum. Go back to the question. A should take maximum. A should take maximum. Here B is taking maximum. Here C is taking maximum. Here C is taking maximum. Exact answer options. You can go and download the previous year CAT paper and see it. A is maximum. A is maximum. How much time it takes to identify which is maximum, which is minimum? Do you think they are checking out your mathematical skills? If they are checking out your mathematical skills, only the students who are from a great mathematical background will clear the examination in first attempt. What is that I did, sir? I did a 4th class NCRT concept. What is 4th class NCRT concept? S minus A equivalent to K. ABC got a negative sign. If it is a negative sign, K 7K and 4K. 7K it is maximum. B should be minimum. K is minimum. A should be maximum. Where is the maximum value? A is present in the answer option. A is present in the answer option. For me, A is quite visible. 10 it is B value, 12 it is C value, 11 it is A value. Are you all with me? Use your mind and solve the exam, aptitude, toughest aptitude exam. Next one. Again, this is a CAT original question. I think it is a CAT 2019 original previous year question. 2019. If I take multiple classes, students will understand the difference between a good teacher and a great teacher. Now see here, sir. A1, A2 and so on are in arithmetic progression. 1 by root A1 plus root A2, 1 by root A2 plus root A3 and so on up to root AN plus root AN plus 1. Now see here. Another one. How the teachers will solve? Traditional method. Useless method. If you are doing too much of traditional method, it's time for you to quit that coaching and join the logical thinking course. Traditional method. What they will do is, question contains variables. Am I right? Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Question contains variables. Answer contains variables. What is one of the method? Most of the teachers know substitution. What they will do? A1, A2, A3. A1, A2, A3. They will substitute a series which is in arithmetic progression. 1, 3 or 5 or 1, 4 or 7. Anything they will substitute. So 1 by root 1 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 5. N equivalent to 2. Substitute in the answer option where it is matching. This is what they will do it. Again, if you see here, you have to rationalize it. Root 3 plus root 1. You have to rationalize it. Root 3 minus root 1. Root 5 minus root 3. Am I right? So this will become root 3 minus root 1 by 2. Root 5 minus root 3 by 2. Minus root 3, root 3. So these root 5 minus root 1 by 2. Question is 1 by. So answer will be 2 by root 5 minus root 1. Root 5 minus root 1. Like this they will do. This is the traditional method. If you are fast in it, you will take 20 to 30 seconds. 20 to 30 seconds. Anil Nair's way. For me, this is an original previous year CAT question. For me, it will take less than 5 seconds. Just by looking at a question, you can tick mark the answer. Just to see the question and you can tick mark. Stupid answer options it gave. This is a way back, age-old mathematical Olympiad question, sir. Why to take 3 numbers? Put n equivalent to 1. N equivalent to 1. Only one number I am taking. So it is 1 by 1. 1 by 1, it is 1. 1 by 1, it is 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1 by A1, 1. A1, only one number I am taking. Answer is first one. n equivalent to only 1 I am taking. There is no 2 number. There is no 2 number. n equivalent to 1. n equivalent to 1 will become 1 by 1. Are you all with me? This will become 1, 1, 1. I am taking 1, 1, 1. 1 by, or you take 1 comma 1. You take 1 comma 1. That will also help you to understand why the fourth option is eliminated. You take 1 comma 1. That will be easy. 1 comma 1. If I take 1 comma 1, the elements, if they are equal, they will be in AP. So this will become 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 by 1 plus 1, it is 2. 1 by 1 plus 1, it is 2. First option, n value 2. 2 by 1 plus 1. 2 by 2. I hope it is clear. N value 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. Second one. N equivalent to 1 I took it. Second option and third option I eliminated by taking n value 1. N equivalent to 2 if I take, substitute it, whatever the answer that you get. 1 minus 1 I am getting 0. 1 minus 1 I am getting 0. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? N equivalent to 1 take. In case if you are eliminating 2 answer options, go to the second number. Go to the second number. N equivalent to 1. Only one element I am taking. A1 equivalent to 1. A1 equivalent to 1. This will become 1 by 1. This will become 1 by 1. Answer should be 1. 1 by n equivalent to a1 by 1, it is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 by 1 by 1. 2 options you got just by substituting n equivalent to 1. Take 1 comma 1. A1 equivalent to 1. A2 equivalent to 1. 1 by 1 plus 1. 1 by 2. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Substitute it. Just by substituting n equivalent to 1, the learning is 1 minus 1, 0 out. 1 minus 1, 0 out. You eliminated 2 answer options by just substituting n equivalent to 1. N equivalent to 1. If the series is in AP, minimum 2 elements should be there. Make the series equal. Make the series equal. This will take some seconds. This will help you to eliminate the answer options. Are you all with me? This will help you to eliminate the answer options. Very, very important key point. A1, A2, AN are in arithmetic progression. They are also in geometric progression. They are also in harmonic progression. When the variables are equal, put A1 equivalent to, A2 equivalent to, and so on up to AN. So, n equivalent to 1, second and third it is out. N equivalent to 1 comma 1. N equivalent to 1 comma 1. You will get 1 out of the remaining 2 answers. I hope the idea it is clear. There is also another, right? Quartile mean. Quartile mean it is also there. Quartile mean it is also there. For cat we will discuss. A1, A2, AN. If the variables are equal, then the numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. Especially maxima and minima related problems. 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 There will be linear equation based maxima and minima. There will be quadratic equation based maxima and minima based on the discriminant. Here there will be maxima and minima based on functions and graphs. Functions and graphs. This is the structure of maxima and minima. There will be maxima and minima based on progression based questions. Progression based questions, and there will be some numerical value comparison questions. There will be numerical value comparison questions, numerical based. This is how the structure of maxima and minima questions are there. This is how the maxima and minima questions are there. You can get maxima and minima questions from linear equations, from quadratic equations, from functions and graphs, from progressions, and from numerical based. These are the 5 areas where maxima and minima questions can be asked. Polynomial equation maxima and minima, it is at an advanced level. It is at an advanced level. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, because we wrote A1, A2 and so on up to AN are in arithmetic progression, geometric progression, 5 minutes will solve some very good problems based on maxima and minima to give you a glimpse how the question seems to be tough, but actually it is very, very easy. But before that, please write down a concept. AM greater than GM greater than harmonic mean. AM greater than GM greater than harmonic mean when the variables are unequal. When the variables are unequal. If the variables are unequal, AM greater than GM greater than HM. Now, these AM greater than GM greater than HM, comparing the means, arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean, it is valid only for positive real numbers. This concept holds good only for positive real numbers. There will be some questions where you will realize that this is not working for a positive real number. Some beautiful questions in a CAT algebra batch we will discuss. AM greater than GM greater than HM. What is AM? AM is if A1, listen carefully for the next 10 minutes, sir. All are positive real numbers. All are positive real numbers. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities greater than. Geometric mean is given by nth root of product of the quantities. Nth root of product of the quantities, and it is greater than. Harmonic mean is reciprocal of arithmetic mean. 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. Please write down this point. Arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean, greater than harmonic mean. It is valid only for positive real numbers. If arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. If the series is in AP, if the series it is in AP, it is also given by first term plus last term by 2. It is also given by first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. It is if the series is in GP. If the series is in geometric progression, it is given by square root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. We will discuss in detail. Just a glimpse I am giving you. Valid only for positive real numbers. AM greater than GM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities divided by number of the quantities. Geometric mean is nth root of product of the quantities. N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by A1. AN. A student asked me a question. Which of the following is greater? Just a glimpse with practice questions, sir. Which of the following is greater? Which of the following is greater? First question. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. Second question. This is one of the mock question. An SSC enrolled student has sent me this question. Sir, how to solve this kind of questions? 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. Which of the following is greater? Third question, it is a miscellaneous question which I discussed in the enrolled class. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. Listen carefully, sir. Which of the following is greater? 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 1 by 1001. These are very, very good quality questions, sir. 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. C is 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. It is easy. 31 is less than 32. 32 it is 2 power 5 power 11. 2 power 55. 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. 2 power 4 power 14. 16 is less than 17. Third one is quite easy question. 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. Idea behind this question is 31 and 17 both are closer to powers of 2. 31 is closer to 32. 17 is closer to 16. 31 power 11 is less than 32 power 11. 32 it is 2 power 5 power 11. 2 power 55 less than 2 power 56. 2 power 4 power 14. 16 is less than 17. 16 is less than 17. 31 power 11 less than 17 power 14. Do not worry. This is a very easy question. Generally people use a logarithm to solve the question. It's a very easy question. 31 is less than 32. First question. It is a mock SSC question. They said, sir, our teacher has done 10 steps. Right? How can you optimize it? The first thing is 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 101 factorial. It is the product of all natural numbers from 1 to 101. From 1 to 101. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is given by first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 101 by 2. Greater than geometric mean is nth root of product of all the quantities 1 into 2 till 101. 102 by 2 it is 51. Power 101 factorial. Power 1 by 101. If it comes to the left hand side, 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. Answer over. Because of this identity, teacher has done what not he has done. 51 he 101 he wrote it as 51 plus 50 what not he has done. Half page he has done it. It is a single step solution. AM greater than GM. AM stands for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean it is first term plus last term by 2. So this series is in AP. Why? Because the difference between the terms is constant. 1 plus 101 by 2 greater than 101th root of 1 into 2 till 101. So 51 greater than product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 101 is 101 factorial. Power 1 by 101. If it comes to the left hand side, 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. Very high quality questions only. We will discuss it in class. Most of the students, their notebook will be full. Once they keep solving all the problems, there will be quite ahead in terms of the problem solving skills. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002, 1 by 1003 and so on up to 1 by 3001 R1. Another very, very good question. 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002. The source also I will tell you. Some student is solving it in SSC test series. 10-step solution it is there. The teacher said that the topper has solved this question in the range of 2 to 3 minutes. This is considered to be a toughest question. What toughest, sir? Here, greater than. How many terms are there? 2001 terms are there. Divided by. What is HM? HM it is N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. So these 2001 by 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001. These cancelled, so cross multiplication it will be 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 greater than 1. Very, very good question which can be solved very, very easily because using these identity AM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean, whenever you want quantities which are in AP, arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean, n by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very high quality question, solved it in a simplest way. Now, next one. These already we solved it. Next, 20th question. Read the question, sir. Read the question. Some concepts we will discuss. First, read the question. Sum of all the angles except one of a convex polygon, it is 2190 degrees. Sum of all the angles except one angle in a convex polygon, it is 2190 degrees. Number of sides of the polygon. Before we solve this question, some very, very important inputs we will do it. What do you mean by polygon? Polygon is derived from the Greek word. Poly is many sides. Many is any n-sided closed figure. Please make a note of it, sir. This slide is extremely important for us to know the fundamentals. Any n-sided closed figure. Any n-sided closed figure. Any n-sided closed figure. N greater than or equivalent to 3. It is a polygon. If n is a dot, it is a point. If n has got 2, it is a straight line. For you to, a straight line is dividing the plane into 2 subplanes. I want a closed figure in a plane. To get a closed figure, n should have a minimum value equivalent to 3. N-sided closed figure, n greater than or equivalent to 3. Is called a polygon. A polygon means n-sided closed figure. This polygon is of 2 types. One is a convex polygon. Another is a concave polygon. Now, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Based on angle, definition 1. When do you call a polygon a convex polygon? If every interior angle is less than 180 degrees. If every interior angle is less than 180 degrees, then the polygon is said to be a convex polygon. What is the definition of a concave polygon? Based on the angles. At least one interior angle. It is greater than 180 degrees. If at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees, then it is called a concave polygon. Again, I am repeating, based on the angle definition, depending upon the value of the angle, there are two definitions, two varieties of polygon. One is a convex polygon, another is a concave polygon. If every interior angle is less than 180 degrees, it is a convex polygon. At least one interior angle greater than 180 degrees, then it is a concave polygon. But in the exam, angle cannot be mentioned. What if the diagram it is mentioned? What if the diagrams are given in the question? What if the diagrams are given in the question? In the diagram, angle value is not given. What if the diagrams are given? Listen carefully. In a convex polygon, here it is convex and here it is concave. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. This definition you will not find it in the regular textbook. Suppose there is a figure like this. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Take any 2 points inside the polygon. take any 2 points inside the polygon. If you are able to draw one line, which goes outside the boundary of the polygon, then the name of the polygon is concave polygon. Again, I am defining it. Take any 2 points. If you are able to draw at least one line, which goes outside the polygon, then the name of the polygon is a concave polygon. Then the name of the polygon will be a concave polygon. If you select any 2 points, all the lines lies completely inside, then it is called a convex polygon. At least one line goes outside. If there is at least one line which goes outside the polygon, then the name of the polygon is a concave polygon. Otherwise, it is a convex polygon. Why are we understanding the definition of the polygon? Because in the exam, in the question, it is clearly mentioned that it is a convex polygon. Convex polygon behaviors are quite different from a concave polygon behaviors. In a convex polygon, every interior angle is less than 180. In a convex polygon, every interior angle is less than 180. But in a concave polygon, every interior angle, at least one interior angle, it is greater than 180. I hope the definition from an angle point of view, it is clear to you, and from a line point of view, 2 definitions are there. If the question is, which of the following is a convex or a concave polygon? Convex or a concave polygon? Take any 2 points. If the one line goes outside, then it is a concave polygon. Suppose if the question is like this, is it a convex or a concave? Take any 2 points, draw a line. The line is going outside, so it is a concave polygon. I hope the definition from the line, it is clear to you. Now, what is the another thing that we require? We require